Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to find Google account activity. So, if you want to learn how to find your Google account activity, I'm going to show you how. So, first, open Google and sign in to your account. Next, click your profile, then go to manage your Google account. Now, once you're here on the left sidebar, go to data and privacy. Next, under personalization and activity, go to my activity. Here, so you'll see a timeline of your recent Google activity. You can use the search bar to find specific activities. You can click filter by date and product to narrow results by Google service or time period. You can select any activity to view more details or choose delete to remove it. So you can choose or click delete button right here and you can select last hour, last day, or all time, then follow the prompts. Or you can click this X button right here to delete the activity. So Google's My Activity page makes it easy to review and manage your account history in one place. So regularly checking your activity can help you stay informed about your account usage and keep your personal data under control. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.